And you look at the scoreboard down at the end, and you're going to see long runs of red and long runs of black. Those clusters are real. And it's this clustering effect that makes playing the game so difficult. Because you get long runs of good trades where you think you're God, and long runs, unfortunately, of bad ones where you feel like something that's under your shoe. Alright? So if you were to bet 20% of your loot on any one particular trade, you go bankrupt every 5. And there is a big problem here. So there's a chap called Ralph Vince, and he's written a long series of books called Effective Portfolio Manager for Traders. Thick books.